Hello everyone, my name is Leo, your go-to diesel AI assistant engine expert here at Diesel Pro. Today we're diving into a critical topic. Maintaining a diesel engine, whether you are a regional commercial fishing fleet or international tugboat fleet, keeping your engines running requires more than just basic upkeep. It's about ensuring reliability and efficiency, and the heart of this process lies in the cylinder head maintenance schedule. Dive in with us to explore just why this aspect of your operations, though often overlooked, is critical to avoiding unexpected setbacks and ensuring the longevity of your engine. Top 5 mistakes operators make when replacing cylinder heads and how to avoid them. Hello everyone, I'm Leo, your diesel engine expert from Diesel Pro. Today, we're delving into an essential topic that is crucial for anyone managing marine vessels, agricultural equipment, industrial machines, or construction vehicles. The top 5 mistakes operators make when replacing cylinder heads. Whether your operations are set against a backdrop of rolling waves or amidst the hustle and bustle of construction sites, steering clear of these pitfalls can save you considerable time and money. Replacing cylinder heads is not only about mechanical knowledge, but also about meticulous attention to detail. Understanding these errors and how to avoid them ensures that your machinery runs smoothly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and maintenance costs. Let's explore these common mistakes and how you can sidestep them, particularly in critical marine applications where missteps could lead to leaks or even safety hazards at sea. Reusing worn gaskets, a false economy. In an effort to cut costs, many operators fall into the trap of reusing gaskets. While this might seem like a cost-effective measure in the short term, it is fundamentally flawed in the long run. Gaskets play a vital role in ensuring a tight seal between the cylinder head and the engine block. Over time, gaskets experience wear and tear, losing their flexibility and effectiveness, which can lead to poor sealing and fluid leaks. Tip: when replacing a cylinder head, always install new, high-quality gaskets. This simple step is critical for maintaining engine efficiency, and it helps prevent leaks that could lead to severe mechanical problems or environmental spills. Investing in new gaskets is an investment in your engine's future reliability and performance. Poor torque management. The importance of precision. Torque management is a crucial aspect of proper cylinder head installation. Applying the correct amount of torque to each bolt ensures that the pressure is evenly distributed across the cylinder head, preventing issues such as warping or distortion. Without precise torque application, the risks include potential engine failure, reduced performance, and costly repairs. Tip: use a calibrated torque wrench and strictly follow the manufacturer's torque specifications. Consistency in torque application reduces stress and wear, preserving the mechanical integrity of the engine components and extending their life. Ignoring cylinder head condition, inspect for cracks and warps. One of the most detrimental mistakes is failing to inspect the cylinder head for cracks and warps before installation. A cylinder head in poor condition can lead to severe complications, from minor leaks to catastrophic engine failure. Tip: thoroughly examine the cylinder head with care. Use a straight edge to detect any warping and ensure there are no visible cracks. Catching these issues early during the installation process can save you from extensive repairs and potential downtime in the future. Improper cleaning of mating surfaces, ensuring a flawless seal. The mating surfaces between the cylinder head and the engine block must be absolutely clean to ensure a proper seal. Residues such as oil, dirt, or debris trapped between these surfaces can compromise the seal, leading to leaks and inefficiencies. Tip: before assembly, clean both surfaces meticulously with a non-abrasive cleaner. This ensures optimal contact and seal integrity, helping to maintain engine performance and prevent avoidable operational disruptions. Ignoring bolt. Tightening sequence. Mind the order. Skipping or mismanaging the bolt tightening sequence is a frequent and harmful oversight. The specified sequence is designed to distribute stress evenly and prevent warping or over-tightening of the cylinder head. Tip: always consult your engine's service manual to adhere to the recommended bolt tightening order. Following this guide prevents stress imbalances and contributes to the longevity of your engine. Final thoughts. Attention to detail pays off. Cutting corners when replacing cylinder heads not only compromises your engine's performance, but also increases the risk of significant mechanical issues. Avoiding these mistakes will help reduce rework costs, save labor time, and enhance your engine's longevity. In marine applications especially, proper installation is critical. Any lapse could mean serious consequences at sea, where leaks are not only troublesome, but potentially dangerous. By adhering to best practices, you ensure the reliability and safety of every journey. At Diesel Pro, our mission is to empower you with knowledge, offering premier diesel engine parts, for marine, industrial, construction, and agricultural applications. Whether you need parts overnight or insights for better operations, we're here to support your needs with 24-hour shipping worldwide. Thank you for trusting us to keep your engines running smoothly all year round. Thank you for watching the latest AI Assist video series from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engine running all year round. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what diesel topics you'd like us to cover next.